Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Xfo-Lactic shower gel. So this shower gel is going to help get rid of dead skin on your skin, because one of the most reasons why our skincare products don't work faster is because of dead skin that is covering it. It stops the whatever treatment you are applying to penetrate. But when you add this shower gel to your daily routine, like using it to shower daily, it will help get rid of those dead skin that is covering our skin layers and prepare your skin and get it ready to receive any treatment you apply on it. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So to make this shower gel, here I have my shower gel base. I have about 1 liter of shower gel base here, and here is my goat milk. You can use any you can use goat milk or any whole powdered milk. I always recommend pig. You can use pig powder milk. And here I have my oils. I have about 5 different types of oil here. I have clove oil, pomegranate seed oil, amla seed oil, papaya fruit oil, and mint oil in here. And here is my zeta gum for thickening. And here I have my lactic acid solution 90%, and my lemongrass essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you like. All right, let's get to work. So the first thing we're going to do is add our zeta gum to the base. Just sprinkle it. Zeta gum doesn't dissolve easily. So you stir it. So we're going to use our hand mix. So after adding the zeta gum, we mix the oil and the milk. Mix the oil and the milk together. Add it to it. Add my essential oil to it. Adding about 20 drops. That's really tasty. Guys, so here is the finished product of our Xfo-Lactic after shower gel. Here, this is it. Just pour some here to show you. I'm sorry guys, I mistakenly deleted the video when I was adding and how I added the lactic acid. So 32 ounces of the total base I made, that total body gel I made that I showed you, 32 ounces of the total base, then plus 5.33 ounces of lactic acid. So I added it to it and then mix it with my spatula. You don't need to use blender to do that one. Just use a spatula to mix it until you get this jelly consistency. Okay, so to use this, what you do is in your shower, after bathing, you know, washing your body, just use it as you use normal scrub. So after washing your body, bathing with your soap and sponge, then you apply it on your skin, all over your body. Apply it to your skin, all over your body. Concentrate on those dark areas or where you have dark patches. Sorry, let me close this window. So you concentrate on where you have dark patches on your skin and then use it to massage it. I think it's too dark. Is it okay? So you use it to massage all over your body. Massage your skin like this. Massage it in a circular motion like this. You massage it. Massage all over your skin. Massage it for like 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on how you can go. So massage all your skin very, very well, making it to penetrate in your skin. Make sure you start your bathing with warm water so that all your pores will be very opened, you know, before you start this. After bathing, you massage it. You see, just massage it all over. Use it to massage your skin very, very well. Massage it through, and after that you rinse it off. Okay, sometimes I just massage it and leave it on for maybe like 30 to 45 minutes to do its work. Then after that you wash it off. All right, you wash it off and that is it. So you keep doing this every day. Do it every day, because this is not that harsh, but it will help give you a glowing skin. You can see, look at, the more I massage it, the more my skin glows. So when you do it, even after washing it, your skin, it will give you, take off the dead skin on your skin and bring out a new skin that will remain flawless and glowing. All right, so guys, so that's how to make your Xfo-Lactic after shower gel. Okay, so you can try this and let me know in the comment box how it turns out and how your skin glows. Just gave you guys another of my secrets. All right guys, so that will be it for today's tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Of course, if you like my video, give me a thumb up and encourage me to do more. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, also hit the bell button so that you can get notifications anytime I upload a new video. Okay, all right, stay organically beautiful. See you guys in my next video. For your dark knuckles, scrub it and make it penetrate in. Bye bye, love you all. Look at, this is the one I'm